with this.
Nice. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. All right, you want to do it? We're going to build a sales funnel with AI, not in 7 steps, in 3 steps, inspired by Russell Brunson. You ready for this? Simple as. Okay. I'll do that. 24 dB. And let's get the playlist started. I like no copyright.
So what do phone flipping, barbering, and teaching kung fu have in common? Well, Christian is teaching people how to phone flip and making $3,977 per month. And he's only halfway through the school gates. And then you've got the School of Barbershop that just started, and they're making $6,800 per month in
All right. Ooh, I got some messy ass hair.
At least you have hair.
Good point. It's a good point.
I started balding at 17.
That is not okay.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Oh. Uh, Yo, what up, Dark?
Not much. What about you?
Not too much. Meet my boy Austin. Austin, meet Dark.
Going on?
What's up?
We're all just having a little code sesh. You know what it's like.
Nice, nice.
He's actually building a React mobile app, and I remember you talking about a MongoDB substitute the other day. What was that?
I'm not making a mobile app, but the Mongo's DB substitute, like, are you talking about for mobile?
Yeah, Austin.
Yeah,
you-
for
yeah.
mobile.
So there's app, right?
App, right? Okay.
Yeah, that's the big thing that's going around. You can self-host. You can self-host Mongo as well. The biggest thing is you don't want to host it through Mongo because they use AWS servers, and so your cost is ridiculous. Like, I saw someone had to pay $200 per month, and they had like 10 users.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah.
You said it's app, right? I think I've heard of it. Appright.io.
Yeah, there's app, right? Yeah. That's what I'll be using for mine.
Nice. Nice. Okay, I gotta pop
Authenticating
this
databases,
up.
function storage, and messaging to project.
And then for websites, I plan on using Convex.
Yeah, that's the one I was hearing you say the
Con-
other day. Convex.
Convex. That's very powerful. I do like that.
Yeah, Convex doesn't have it set up to work with Expo yet, and who knows how long that's gonna take. So
Do you know if Appright works with Expo?
I believe so. Yeah, it does. Yeah. You can see on their site.
Yeah, I'm looking at her. I have a Discord. Might as well join it.
Oh, they got one?
I
Nice.
don't ever join their Discords. To me,
Really?
it's just a bunch of nonsense in those Discords. Like, just like look at Klein's.
That guy
just-
was brain dead, dude.
A bunch of just fucking crybabies.
Yeah, that was funny. That was a good night.
It's like, if you guys don't like it, don't use it.
Straight.
If it costs too much for you because you're too much of a poor fucker,
Okay, what we got
then use
here?
something else.
This is
Like Aider, it only costs 1 cent
really?
per, yeah. Because the way
Gator's
they
cheap
do,
as hell.
yeah, the way they do their prompt caching is they send everything at once, where Klein has it sent individually. if you make
Yeah.
a request. That's the problem, why it costs so much.
I fucking ran some
Yeah.
good credits on Klein the other night. Fucking like $20. It was
Yeah, and Aider can do some pretty good.
there we go. Let's do that.
PT Copilot. Apparently, it's not that good
Hmm.
either.
No, you butted out for a bit there. You kind of glitched out.
Oh, I'm watching your stream, but it's like I don't know if it's your end or what. It shouldn't be my end because I've got gig. But
Yeah,
it's like
I'm
fuck,
not
it, like,
dropping
lagged for a
anything.
minute.
Yeah, I'm not dropping anything right now, but I think I glitched out there for a second, not gonna lie. This is what we're working on right here. So I'm trying to change right now we have an editor on the only prompt, which is it's this right here. And it works, but I want to make it nicer and cleaner. So on here we got the editor, which is here, I'll just pop it up full screen and go here.
When expanding with the drag, you need to have a maximum small size.
Yeah.
like
Okay.
that you can or like
Oh,
match
that's a
track
new
size.
bug. Cool. That's a very new bug. So this is
What?
the it opens up 2 instances.
Oh well,
Yeah, it's not
depends on
supposed
how
to
you
do
look
that.
at it.
It's supposed to
Oh,
go
when
full
you
screen.
maximize.
Yeah, it wasn't doing that before, but we just got a new bug.
Mm,
So it goes like that, and then you got your generate, and then you got your sidebar. But what I want to do is I want to make this more kind of like this, where you got your
mm.
IDE, and like if you're editing. So here I'll pop in. What do I got in here? Uh,
So,
I'll take this code here,
well,
and
you could do that honestly.
so like if you
So you
pop
want
all
to
that
have like
in, it
you.
shows you
So
your
you want to
live.
have Copilot, or I mean, you want to have a VS Code built in.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can just fork VS Code.
I can, but I can't because I could. Yeah, I could.
That's what everybody else does.
I'm not the best on that. You want to help me out?
Well, I'm pretty sure with AI we can do that
Let's get her
pretty
done.
easy.
Because right now
So
this
what do
is the
you?
Monaco editor. This is the VS Code editor. It does
Why
have.
does it look? Why does it look goofy on top? There's like it says Ask AI.
Where? Oh, here? No,
On the
this is
top.
all custom built.
Okay.
This is a
So
whole
you
cut.
want to add this code in?
No, what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to custom build like an interface for website. So this is supposed to be build websites with AI. You're supposed to be able
Uh-huh.
to edit, and what I have here is a custom terminal where you're going to be able to prompt, and this is going to directly prompt the AI model because in the background of this is right here, and you do have the prompt for AI, which was right here, but I broke it.
Well,
Yeah,
you're gonna want to start one thing at a time.
yeah, there we go. So we do have this whole thing working in a sense. Okay, give me a minute. Let me get organized here. I'm gonna close all this down. Okay. Where was it?
Your Discord's like lagging.
Probably. Probably.
Why doesn't it help that you have the moving background on it as a wallpaper?
Oh yeah.
It does
It's
eat up a bunch of resources.
it pulls quite a bit, not gonna lie. Okay, there we go. Now we got this. What did I do there? Good. Okay, pop this up. And there we go. Okay, gotta work on the menu. This will prompt AI. It's just I don't have the API set up right now. This will set code mode or view mode. So that way you can drag and drop
I
your.
would
Whoa, ear
I
rape.
would make that. What?
I just got ear rape there.
I'm not sure what happened then.
Yes, I think Austin's mic went off on me. Let me turn some things off here.
Sorry, I was switching from my phone to or from my computer to my phone because I wanted to show you guys the app.
Nice. Let's see.
I just gotta figure out how to stream.
Should be the same thing. Share screen, yeah.
And with that, so what I would do is, if you're trying to get this to make it have a flow to it, the nav bar, I would remove it.
This?
It's too, no, the top one. It's too chunky, and I would incorporate those buttons how
Or maybe I can have
My
it so it
cursor has it.
disappears and you can hover over.
Why is it not letting me?
You could, but the thing is, you want to have it so it's accessible.
Yeah, because we do have to remember this is for not. I got to build this in mind of people who are not tech savvy. The purpose of the only
Yeah,
prompt is
that's-
for people who, like your mom, your grandma, your fucking toddler, could pick it up and go prompt it and build a website. So it still has to be somewhat non-tech savvy usable. Which was where we were at with this builder. It was pretty simple for people to see and do.
Mhm.
So I got to kind of keep it along the same lines.
Yeah, but what I would do if you want to indicate the code, VS Code feel to it, is I would incorporate those buttons on the top, like how cursor has it. You know what I'm saying?
Like this?
How it's incorporated, yeah. And it's
Hmm.
a smaller, not so chunky.
Interesting. Okay.
Because right now you got two different designs going.
Yeah, I do. Wait a second.
And so what I would do is
Here, you know what? I'm gonna pop
use-
you over the code too. Let's see what we both come up with. I'm gonna send you a file. Come
I
on.
don't have I don't have the access to all that.
What do you mean? You don't have your cursor?
No, not right now.
Oh.
Till yeah. So I'm just helping you visually.
Well, that's okay.
So. Yep.
Give me one
Oh,
second. I
this
gotta
is- oh.
accept an email. Gmail.
Holy moly, that's a big old training video sign or button.
I mean, that's the main purpose of the app, is to create videos.
Okay.
It's going to be a faceless, it's a faceless video generator.
Oh yeah.
So eventually they'll be able to click the button, and they'll be able to create a video with AI. But I mean, that's the main goal of it. Right now, this
You know what I would
the-
do is I would not make it blue. I would make it black, like the TikTok colors.
Yeah. Okay.
Because a lot of people are gonna make faceless for TikTok.
So I mean, I also had added a section down here for tutorials.
Nice.
When we add those, and they'll be able to see their stats right here on the home screen. Number of
Perfect.
videos, views, and likes. And then library, they'll have the drafts, and published. And then you can go over to create. Eventually, I'm gonna make it to where they can record a video if they want, but they'll mainly be able to just create the video inside of here. Or they can upload a video and edit it. But that.
And then what I would do is, if you're trying to make the focal point on that button, is make the button have like some kind of jazzle to it. Like, have you ever seen Magic UI?
I haven't messed around with it, no.
They have a button.
I'll look at it.
Let's see, components.
Toshi Nakamoto. Wow.
They got like rainbow button, shimmer button. You could add like some animated button
Oh
to
yeah, I
try
could
and
put something like that.
yeah.
A shimmer button, shiny button. Okay, yeah, I like that. But yeah, I mean that's as far as I've
Street.
got so far.
Okay.
The next step is kind of trying to integrate AI into it, and um, I mean I still gotta create these screens, but and then the next step, the main step is to create or get AI built into it, and then go that route. It's for a client, so and I was
Mm.
given 3 months to build it, so I
Nice.
mean I just started.
3 months shouldn't be that bad.
Yeah, I mean main ever since I've been using AI, I've been using it as like my main coding source.
Well, apparently GitHub uses it a lot because they said 25% of GitHub is now built with AI.
Nice.
I'm like, oh my. Go
Yeah.
back to home and scroll down. I noticed there's a bug.
What?
So when you're scrolling, it still says welcome back. And it's,
Oh yeah,
yeah, it's
that is a
not.
little bug. I can fix that here in a minute. But yeah, I mean this is all. It's all. I'm using Expo, so that's how I'm able to view everything right now. Because
Okay.
I don't have the luxury yet of having a Mac that doesn't
Yeah,
break
I
down the internet
understand that.
every 3 months.
I plan on using Expo anyways. Expo is a lot faster and the code is intuitive, so you don't have to use like X code and then having to use
Yeah.
something else for Android. Your code will work for both iOS and Android and web. So
Yeah.
you're better off just sticking with Expo.
Yep. Yep. So
Yeah,
that's what I'm working on.
because the thing is with Expo, you can use either an emulator or you can use a physical device.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm using my physical device. So
See.
that's the little bit that I'm working on. I should get most of the screens done, or the other screens done, and working on the main functionality.
Okay.
Go. I love Lonely Screen. It's a super. It's an app that I started using,
Mm,
and it's an app that I can go and stream my phone
nice.
to my computer.
Nice.
There's a free version and there's a paid version. I only need is the free. Let's work on the annual.
Do you have a specific folder for the IDE part?
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
No, not yet. It's got to be under one HTML file for Framer.
No, I'm saying like having it in folders so that you get better organization.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Yes, right here. Its own little folder. Uh,
What's your framework?
I will show you. Oh shit! Look at that. That's not what I wanted.
It's kind of what VS Code is, but not exactly. You need to give it a screenshot.
Yeah.
But you don't want the file edit and
No,
view
I don't
code.
want. I don't want any of these. I wouldn't mind
Yeah,
this tab though. That tab stuff's really nice.
so
Give me a second. We'll get Klein going here.
if only Ada could take images,
Right?
Yeah.
Uh,
but yeah, curse is good too. It's just all about how you prompt it.
I've been feeding it images the past couple days, and it's been pretty well. I haven't had a problem with it yet.
who?
One, they just updated cursor, so
Oh, that's why it's
I'm not even
buggy.
on the updated version.
the newest version apparently came out October 9th.
Okay.
They did some linting error fixes,
Yeah, makes sense.
poser history, and to the latest version of VS Code. They
Okay.
haven't really done much for pushing big updates. That's the annoying part.
Yes. Uh, put some money on here. 15 bucks. Oh, what do we got? Whoa, how we broke on there? Put 10 bucks. What's that card got?
You breaking shit over there?
No, one of my credit cards are getting maxed out.
Hey, quit doing that.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Maxing out the credit card.
Oh.
Holy.
I've been doing that, yeah.
But the bank's loving it.
No, they're not a fan. Well, they like my money, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna start deleting API keys right now because I do not like having all these.
Yeah. Going back to client's Discord. Oh my gosh. There's so many people that said cry in there.
Oh yeah.
And they're like, oh, client's so expensive. And I'm just like, if you're that poor to use Klein, why use it?
Yeah, don't use it if you can't pay. No, 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 no.
It's like I don't get it. Like I personally wouldn't use Klein because it's not optimized.
Not yet, but it still does pretty well.
Like I could do probably better with Cursor
That's why I've been using Cursor.
or Claude itself. And people are like, well then I have to copy and paste. I'm like,
So,
okay.
Yeah,
And
that's part of doing it. It's AI is not supposed to do it all for you.
yeah, there was this one guy. He's like, oh, I can't wait until I can just give it one prompt and it does everything. And I'm like, dude, you're an idiot.
There's
Because
not going to be coding anymore.
just because you give it one prompt is not gonna do everything. Because at the end of the day, you're the human and you're gonna know. You still need human intervention.
Yes, you do.
Because you need to be able to know, like, okay, is that button in the right spot? It's not gonna know. It
Right.
doesn't matter how much
Delete that.
how much of an in-depth markdown file you give it,
Yeah.
because it's not gonna. Yeah. It's decent. They're decent. Like the new GitHub Spark.
Yeah.
Like that thing is so far from what I've seen is limited to like one page.
Really?
Yeah, it can only do one page. I've not seen anyone try it to do multiple pages. And that's the thing that's annoying is when you see these videos of people testing these, all they do is these stupid one page fucking tests. I'm like, that is not how you test an LLM.
Yeah.
Like you
the
have
next
to
failed.
yeah. You have to tell it to, you know,
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Make
Asshole.
multiple. I wouldn't. Or are you gonna have it so that when, like with yours, are you gonna have it so it makes multiple pages?
Yeah, I'd like to, yes. So I want the AI to kind of, yeah, I want to also implement multi-agentic. So I want to implement 4.0 and just simple models for the simple stuff and have it like pretty much work like Pythagora.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but just
But you
less.
gotta give it. But the thing is, you gotta give it different system prompts.
Exactly. I'm working. That's a big goal.
But they use 14 different system prompts
I
to
know,
work
it's
together.
insane. Which isn't hard to do.
Which you could take. You could go get GPT.
Yeah, you just gotta
Ada.
have different function
Go grab
calls.
the. You could go grab. Literally, you can go grab their GitHub
Yeah, yeah, and just
of,
rework it.
and then figure out how they did it,
Mm-hmm.
and then just incorporate it.
Exactly. It's on the list. Once we get a decent chunk of money in, we're gonna
Well, I would.
definitely put some
Did you
money
go
into it.
fork it?
Not yet.
Well, you better have go. You better go fork it before they remove it. Cause from what when I've talked to them, they said they're gonna remove the ability to use the old version once the new versions. I don't think that's Copilot.
No, this one's their actual Pythagora.
Yeah, but Pythagora I don't think is open sourced.
Yeah, it is.
It is?
Yeah.
When was it last updated?
Um.
Yeah, last year?
Yeah.
No, 6 months ago? Yeah, that's not the official.
Last month.
Yeah, that's the old version though.
Whatever.
The
It
new
still
version.
gives you the way that how they did it.
Yeah. But the new version's closed sourced,
Yeah.
so which makes sense.
Of course. It's such a badass version.
Yeah, the main thing you gotta grab out of that
Is
out of
how
the
they
GitHub,
prompt it and how they run it.
how do they link 14 different prompts together?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we are looking. We got a few investors in line, and once we get those under wraps, definitely taking a chunk of money and some time off and getting a team together, and we're gonna build this strong.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, I feel like I gotta do too. I gotta go back here, staging. Go back to this version. I think this is the working version. Yes, this is the working version. Nice.
What?
Building a client site.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
How's that going on?
Fucking these guys are brutal, man. I hate these people.
Yeah.
Why?
You have a non-tech savvy client who knows it all, though.
What's the issue?
He's just.
What isn't the issue?
Yes, yes. What isn't the issue?
Let's just start there and work our way back.
Fuck.
Why is there some blank space at the top? Just curious.
We're still working on the edits here, so it's supposed to look like this.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Speaking of which, I gotta get a hold of Jarrell. And
He was just on.
I know.
That poor man's probably sleeping.
Is this supposed to be another credit card?
No. One of my other guys who helped me with UI.
No, is this supposed to be a credit card company?
This is somebody who's deploying a crypto credit card. Yeah.
Oh my god. Like, we don't have enough fucking credit card companies out there in the world?
Right?
It's so stupid.
Yeah.
Like, there's so many, I can't even keep up.
I know.
That's what I mean. Like, it's... Like, do they realize they're going into a massive market?
Yeah. Yeah,
It's
not my
already
problem.
flooded.
He pays me to fucking build a website. I'm happy.
Fuck, they're wasting their money, but whatever. What's your performance on it?
That's a good question. It's not even live yet. It's still on a framer site.
I also check the performance.
Where?
Guys, should I get a 16 or a Mac?
16.
Do you know what website to go to?
Nope.
Just look up page page speed. There you go. Page speed insights. You want to make sure your performance is really good on mobile, because those are going to be your the majority of your traffic. People don't realize that, and their mobile version's so shit.
Yeah. What was mine at?
You already grabbed the image, you just gotta give it to the Copilot or composer.
That's what I'm doing right here. Like that. File, edit.
You shouldn't copy the file edit part then.
No, I'm not. I'm telling it to remove it because we currently have it.
Oh.
File, edit. What else do we have? We have view, go, run.
Yeah, well, let's go and let's check the speed performance.
Ooh.
Oh my, that's bad.
It shouldn't be that bad.
Holy shit.
That one's still
That's
going.
horrible. Go look at the mobile or website version. Yeah. Go look at the website version. Yeah, you might want to turn your background wallpaper off. It's fucking lagging for Discord.
Yeah. Oh, that's why we're lagging. I got a llama running in the background.
Oh.
That'll do it.
Yeah, that will definitely do that.
Yeah. fuck. There you go.
I'll never host a fucking local LLM on my computer. Fuck that shit.
I was testing some things out.
What they all say.
Yeah. Just giving it all your data. Yep.
Yeah, raw.
Just let it read everything.
Yep. Just collect everything.
Take it all.
Yikes, 71% on a web is not that good either.
Yeah, whatever, it works.
You say that, but the thing is you want to fix that eventually.
I will fix it.
Because the thing is people will not sit around for too long if it's gonna take forever to load. If you have no idea how much importance
Time is for people.
performance is, because if it takes more than a second or two, a lot of people won't stay and they'll just leave.
That's a good point.
Because like if you install, or I mean not install, if you put Clarity on your site.
Ooh, look at this.
Why does it have see, that looks so broken.
I'm gonna make it dark in like the same color, but
Why is this not fucking showing?
There's things on there that I don't think you need.
so here's for reference. So we're also, when people build a website,
Yeah.
let me show you reference. I gotta pull it up. I have it here with Jarrell somewhere. This one. Okay, so when people go on, this is another kind of mock-up that I was building for an upgraded version. You'll be able to have your save a project and everything on the sidebar. But when you're covering over things, we want people to be able to edit their website seamlessly, have like the ability to edit every aspect of it too. We don't want it to just generate. We want to be able to pop things up and edit as well.
Another thing with that smart editor, FYI, that's way too small of a context box.
Oh, I know. Nothing here's finalized.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then yeah, if you add Clarity to your site,
Yeah.
you'll be able to see how long a user stays on your site.
This one's
And
just
that will
not
tell-
loading. That's because
and
it's
that'll
not
tell you,
published yet.
Oh, and that would tell you, you know, that your performance, how much your performance matters.
Oh yeah. I know it does. I gotta get on it. Trust me, I know.
Oh, let's keep it a little bit there.
But what for the Ask AI thing, what I would do is
I think I'm gonna get. I don't know, because the whole way I want to prompt is by terminal here.
Okay. So what you could do is section that terminal out. Well, like, are you trying to make it so they can still talk to the AI or what?
Yeah, so I might make it a bit of both. I might.
What you could do is make a tab.
Yeah.
Where the
Excuse me.
left-hand side is, where the puzzle pieces. Make one like how Copilot is,
Okay.
and then so when you click on it, then they can talk to the AI.
Oh.
Or how?
Yeah, we can have like a little robot here that when you click it, it'll pop up the terminal.
But the terminal is meant for commands.
No, so it's supposed to be like that, but in retrospect, it's more or less just like a. It is going to be a prompting spot where you just prompt it. Right now, it's not set, but this is going to be like your chat spot. It's supposed
I
to.
wouldn't make it super long then, because having it so wide makes no sense if it's not going to do prompt, like actually function as a real terminal. 'Cause Because you like how Bolt has it is perfect. They just fucked up.
Yeah, let me see if I got a reference here. Yeah, so in here, when you pop up terminal,
Yeah, but that's just type your command though.
again, it's not supposed to be a command. It's just kind of like to make you feel like you're using a code editor, but you're not. It's simplicity.
Yeah, but the thing is what your text says matters 100% because
Fair enough.
if you just have it say type of command, people are gonna start typing command, and it's not gonna work.
True.
So wording is.
I also
matters
have to brand it around the
1000%.
wish because we are doing the we are doing the kind of like a genie, make a wish.
Uh huh.
So maybe instead of your command, make your wish. I don't know. I gotta figure it out.
Or chat with the genie.
Yeah, there you go. Prompt the genie. Or your wish is your command. Your wish is my
Something.
command. Something like that.
But yeah, wording means 1000%. Because people will take that wording literally.
Yes, good point.
And if you're just making it so that you type commands and you're gonna go look at your clarity feedback and be like, wow, that person just fucking
Sucks.
spamming like crazy. And that's not good.
Do that. Go back here. Go back here. Let's give it a go.
And this is just testing this
Yeah.
HTML file.
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah, that's probably part of your problem.
Oh.
Or how with cursor does it is with the single button and then the chat pops up.
Yeah.
But if you want it to be like VS Code, then you can do the same exact thing.
Oh, more, but VS Code. I say VS Code, cursor, same shit. Yeah, I want it to be AI driven.
Or you can see how Bolt implements it,
How to Bolt do it?
because Bolt's open source.
Good point. Actually, somebody made a free Bolt the other day.
Yeah, Bolt's so dog shit though, because you can't even use it to
I
access
know.
APIs. It's so bad. I tried it. It only gives you mock data, and people are like, it's so good, it's so good. I'm like, it's really not.
It's
I,
not as hyped
it's
up as it
actually
is. I was watch I was watching someone on YouTube. He made a brand new bolt, and it's 10 times better.
Yeah, that's a free one, right?
Yup.
Yeah.
well, all the ones I tried that one too. I know when you're talking about. It's still shit because you can't use real data. Like it only gives you mock data. It won't like connect to an API. It won't. So it's dog shit. Because what's the point in using it to make an app when you can't connect to an API to get real data?
I get that. Mm,
Because then you can't be. Then you won't know like how is it gonna really function. Oh no, I'll never use Bolt. It's so ass. I won't use Bolt until the day they make it so you can use real data and APIs.
No, it took out a lot of stuff. I didn't like that.
What I would do is I would tell it to not remove any of the styling. Have you heard of data button?
Mm-mm.
yes.
It's a good project they got going there, but it's so fucking ridiculous expensive. The price does not match like what you get out of it. Like you have to pay $200 to get like 200 credits a month or 2,000 credits or some shit. But it's like it's so stupid. But to get unlimited, you have to pay $500 a month.
Yeah, it's overpriced.
Yep, and I told them, and like someone did a video on it. I'm like, yeah, this company ain't gonna last long at those prices. So then the person was like, well, when it comes to making product or whatever that works and da 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 da, the price doesn't matter. I'm like, well, probably for millionaires, but your average people that you want to use it, they're not gonna do that. They're not gonna use it at that price point.
No.
No one's gonna shovel out $500 a month for an app or program that works the same as like Cursor would or Pythagora. At least I wouldn't, because I can get the same damn thing done with Pythagora and pay less money. Which I don't see data button staying around for long. I give it maybe your max. Because it's not perfect. I've seen it run into bugs, and you have to reiterate on them.
Oh, that's right. No, wrong one.
What if 2 hedges open?
What do you mean?
2 edges.
I got like 4 of them open. This one's for DevTools.
Oh, okay.
Then this is for my other monitor, and this one's for this monitor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. See what you got, Klein.
I'd probably use Ader over Klein. Dude, your shit's still lagging.
Oh well, deal with it.
It's fucking laggy as shit.
Background's turned off. I'm also live streaming on YouTube too, so that could be it.
Let's see what Klein pumps out.
Hmm.
No, it fixed the coloring problem.
And it took everything else away.
What do you have like? Are you committing these changes to like its own?
Not yet. Go like this and cancel this.
It was trying to edit the prompt again to probably fix something. Yeah, it was gonna add the necessary logic,
Oh,
but you didn't read that. And you're like, oh, cancel it.
log it. Hold on. I'm gonna save a copy here.
This guy.
Yeah, save that copy, and then I'm gonna go for it. Go for it again. Go for it, Klein. There you go. Let's redo this.
And logic. Because Cause what are you trying to currently change? Just like the theme of it, or what?
Yeah.
Cause then I believe once you get this HTML file done, you could probably slap it in to using cursor. You can probably slap it into your main project.
Yeah, yeah. I also want to edit some of the sidebar too. That.
Let's see what it does.
Whoa. Whoa.
Damn, look great.
Yeah, let's see. What did you do?
Looks like Klein did a great job.
Oh.
Yeah, looks great. Fantastic, Klein. Do you not have any custom instructions for it?
No.
That's probably part of the problem. Oh, I know why. It's because you're running into this problem is because your file is too large for
Probably.
Klein.
Fuck you, Klein.
It's too funny. Klein's like, fuck this. I ain't fucking fixing shit. It's too large. Yeah, you can't use Klein with it. You gotta use Aider, dude.
Yeah. Oh no.
Hey. Yeah, you're better off using Aider for this, cause it can section it can chunk it out. And it'd be cheaper. It's
Yeah.
literally so much cheaper. Do you have Aider?
No.
Aider's free, and then you just give it your API key.
I think I'm gonna keep trying the cursor route and fuck with it and learn it as I go. Cursor and the composer. Composer I actually enjoy using.
Yeah, Composer's good. It's just you gotta know how to prompt it properly. And you have to give it custom instructions.
Speaking of
The
which,
biggest thing is you want to start with it like the small thing at a time, and then so you want to give it custom instructions per project though, not for the whole
what are you
thing.
doing? Nice.
Because if you give it these instructions through the settings, that gives it instructions for every project.
Yeah.
And you want to do a .cursor rules file.
Oh my god, Jared.
What?
So Kaylee was like over yesterday at my dad's, and then she went home and I guess she told her parents that like he doesn't really have food. So they went and got him like $200 worth of groceries.
Nice.
starts crying.
Yeah.
Who's that hottie?
He's like, I just need your mom's support. Didn't even say like thank you. Just starts crying about my mother. Like, holy.
What a loser.
Like, how selfish do you have to be?
Didn't even say thank you.
Nope. Oh, my sister.
Damn. Oh, she sounds pretty hot.
No, you're a dead man.
Huh?
You're a dead man. Dead man walking. Okay, what we got here?
He seems pretty alive to me.
Yeah, pretty alive.
That's why I said dead man walking. Same color
I
as
just said
this.
I just said she sounds hot. I didn't say she probably is hot.
No, she's 15.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Oh shit!
Oh shit, son!
Never mind on that one then.
Scratch that. Scratch my head again. Color on the side.
I said oh shit at the wrong time. I'm so sorry.
No, you're good. What'd you do? What'd you break?
It's not what I broke. It's how ugly it looks.
Uh-oh.
Also, another thing to do, what I do to figure out how I want to design things, is I use Dribble,
Dribble's good, yeah.
and I just look at a lot of different like projects and stuff people make, and I just take pieces from different projects and slap it together.
Nice.
Yeah, and it comes out great.
So I'll show you the UI my buddy was working on that we were thinking about doing.
You're cutting in and out, bud.
What about now?
Because this wallpaper is fucking.
No, I
eating
turned
up
it off.
Oh, you did? Oh.
I think it's because I'm live streaming too on YouTube. But
That'll be part of it.
what
You don't have fiber or what?
well, I just downgraded because I'm moving.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
What we were thinking for an interface here was.
Have you heard of Reweb?
No.
Reweb's good for UI.
This is what we were looking at here.
I like Reweb over Figma
This is Framer.
or Framer. Framer's
Meh.
Framer's kind of hard to
Well,
figure out. It's annoying.
That's what I built the entire only prompt in.
To go down.
Yeah, let me find. I have a better version here that we could just take a look at. Actually. Was it here? Yeah, there it is. So it looks like this.
Okay.
That's what we were
Yeah,
thinking.
I like that. I like that.
Yeah, he's working on that right now.
Yeah, it looks good. What's the trash can part for?
In case you want to dump your code, get rid of it.
Oh, okay.
And delete the file.
So are you trying to go for more of your own custom version of like VS Code?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, our own version. This is just me fucking around, really. I'm just messing around.
Oh, okay. So he's the one actually implementing it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good. That looks way better.
Okay. And then No, a good thing about Composer is it doesn't fucking go through the entire thing. It'll pick each section out and go for it.
Yeah.
That's what I like.
Composer's not the greatest with design. That's the thing.
That depends. When you
Like-
use the new Sonnet, it's pretty good.
Oh.
The new Sonnet model rips.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Well, it designed. Okay, so I got it to do a demo site for me to kind of show what our builder. So like in the builder, I prompted our builder to build a I want to do kind of like Tiny Host here. What they do a one-click deploy sort of thing. So I'm like, build me a fucking deploy website, and we got this one. In one prompt, I got this whole website built.
Nice.
Yeah. So like the new Sonnet model rips. And like it even has is it on here? Yeah, you go in here and like click on here.
And
Probably. And you get your complete purchase. Just mock up. It's just to show what you can build.
Interesting.
Yeah. Then imagine this with the editor, so you can come in and edit each little piece. People are going to be able to build a website no problem.
Yeah. But the thing is like I wonder if people are gonna more like want that like standalone. I don't know. It's an interesting concept.
Yeah.
I don't know how you're gonna market it.
Oh, fucking all these other ones do. It's very doable.
It just seems like there's so many of the same copy paste.
But not a lot have
Companies
the
that
operating
seem-
system feel where you come in here and
No,
actually
I get that, but what I'm saying is,
have a bunch
is
of other
I thi-
tools and things too.
what I feel is like a lot of them are like what I would do if you're trying to go with the Mac theme is I'd make that top bar not so thick
Where on?
on all those applications.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then what I would do for your home screen is I would just get rid of that whole chat bot system and like do a video demoing or have like a live demo.
That's what I was thinking about putting there, as well as we do have. So we have the video, All right, you want to do it? which shows here. Hold on. AI, not in 7 Let me. steps, Can you hear that? 3 steps, inspired by Russell
Yeah.
Brunson. You Okay. ready for this? Simple as we're gonna go to theonlyprompt.com. We are gonna open it up. We're gonna go into the OS. We are gonna hit that builder, and that is 3 steps. Put your prompt in, hit that go button, generate, and I'm gonna grab.
But
a
I would
playlist.
redo
Let
this
me open
video
up
once you
Spotify
have the
right
new
now.
version.
I love it. Yeah, If you're yeah, like yeah. me, I love to build with music, so we'll put that over here. Let me grab that playlist, and we'll get right to it. And there you go, just like that. And we'll make this bigger. Hit the full screen. And let's wait. Let's wait.
I don't know if I would do the whole music thing.
I'm going
Then
for my
also
own
what I would
vibe
do-
too, though. I'm keeping it me.
Yeah, but I would also do though is instead of like releasing the genie, I would add like different steps on what it's doing.
Yeah, good point.
Because And right now, people would probably click off
It's a good point.
because they're gonna be like,
We're not even
well,
at 2 minutes yet, so get ready. Boom! Look at that. All right, let's go full view here. Oh!
yeah, that video not
Oh.
playing is kind of a fail.
You even got the newsletter. Which video? Oh yeah. Well, it doesn't
Yeah.
pull right away. You put your brands in here.
Yeah, you
We're
want
not
to
even
have it so
done.
it pulls all that information.
Look at that. And so I was thinking,
Yeah, you want to have it make sure the iframe works.
yeah.
Get rid of that.
This guy.
Yeah. One of the thing is the whole thing, like in my opinion, looks goofy.
Yeah.
Like, there would be different things I would definitely change on that. Or that I would just slap a video in. Fuck the AI chat. Or add a demo. Being able to have people demo it. So that's gonna be your biggest seller too. If people can't demo it, especially something that complex.
Maybe I'll have them demo it with GPT 4.0 and then fucking, or maybe I'll build a custom builder where it only allows one prompt.
Or something.
Yeah.
You can do a rate limit and all that.
Yeah, I could rate
But
limit
the
this,
biggest
no
thing is
problem.
with something as complex as that system, you need to have like a free demo or some shit.
Yeah, good point.
Cause the video is all good and dandy, but yeah.
Where were we?
But I'm gonna be up early in the morning tomorrow. Cause I gotta.
Yeah, you're good,
watch
but I'll be around.
So, but yeah, I'll message you.
Sounds good, dude.
Peace out.
Ciao, bud. All right. Double test. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is the issue? Oh, I think it's the Sonnet model. Okay. What's the issue on here then? Uh. Hmm. Hmm. Okay.
Early in the morning.
You're what?
Said I'm gonna have to get up early in the morning.
Why is that?
I got shit to do tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
I'm getting off for the night.
Sounds good, dude.
Alright, we'll be right back.
Oh, fuck me. I walked right into that door you left open. Fuck. Smoked my face. Oh, yes. Whoa. That's it. There's no more. Well, you know what, guys? I think I'm going to take a break. I will see you guys on the other side.